I can't believe it's already April and it's thunderstorming on a Wednesday, though. No, I'm really surprised. I really am. Literally, you can hear it outside. Crazy weather we're having, don't you think? It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, I agree. Oh, hey, Michael, what's going on, man? Not much, Ennard. Not much going on, dude. How you going, buddy? I'm doing fine. Just scared of thunder. Oh, it's so scary. It's terrifying out there. I'm not going on the thunder. I was gonna go for a nice walk today, but I said, nuh-uh, not a chance, because, you know, it isn't that safe, though. Yeah. You mind? Yeah. Dude, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Well, see you, Michael. See you, Ennard. Oh, boy! Oh! Whoa, I'm scared now. Ah! Help! I need to hide. Help me, help me, help me. Somebody help me hide. I'm scared of the thunder. It's big and scary. I know I should fear water as well. Heck, I know Jason doesn't like water. Where is Jason? Right down here, dude. Did you say there was rain up there? No. Not really. There's thunder out there, isn't it? Yeah, I'm not gonna get burnt like toast. I'm not doing this. I'm just terrified as well. I'm just so scared that that thunder's gonna get us. I just don't know why. I mean, we just should be afraid of this thunder still, because it's not good at all. Yeah. Dude, I'm so tired. Now I heard that thunder, but that thing scared me now. Yeah, me too. Scared of thunder, you is? Yeah. You should hear the big, yeah, Jason, you should hear the big kaboom. There was a big boom of thunder. Yeah. Scared me half to death. Oh, thunder does that, dude. It really does that. Is it gone? Superman, where are you, man? I'm terrified right now. I'm scared of this thunder. This big, big thunder out there. With someone there to protect me. Oh, I'm scared. I'm just terrified of this thunder. It's big and loud and it's scary. It's all mean and vicious. Hello there, citizen. How can I help you? Oh, Superman, thank goodness you're here. It's thundering like crazy over here. Thunder? Yes, it's thundering like crazy. Oh yeah, I'm here what you're saying. No need to fear. Superman's here. Thank you so much. Count on it. I'm still scared of the storm. Hoping it's at 4 o'clock, please. It's still out there. So I know it's still out there. It still is. It's going to harm me if I'm not going to go out there at all. I'm not going until that storm's done. Comprende? Yeah, I understand you, man. I don't like thunderstorms at all. That's why we as superheroes have to hide somewhere. Hut. It was nice talking to you, Superman. It's a real pleasure. And yeah, and remember, hide during a thunderstorm. Do not go walking out playing the thunderstorm because it can physically harm you. So please, don't ever play out in thunderstorms. Bye.